town is just shitty, bro. There's laws about this place. People don't listen. They just throw shit anywhere. Literally. Shit, bro. Actual shit. And look. Fucking litter. As if that's not enough. There's fucking signs that say, clean up after your dog, man. Do you think the people listen in town? No, because look, there's more shit. And then, the reason why all the shit's there is because they're so fucking drunk from the vodka. Vodka. Shit. Vodka. Shit. Have you go? Do you think this is fucking good for the environment? Watch out. Right there, bro. Look at that. Fresh. I think a wallaby came by here. Maybe a drunk Pollock. I don't know. But somebody's shit. And as you can see, they also pissed. Piss. Shit. Piss. Shit. 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 Piss. Piss. Shit. God. I wonder why this town is going to shit. Literally. Right to shit. Right there, bro. This town is going to hell in a handbasket. You know what? I'm not going to think it anymore. That's it, man. That's it.